Hi everyone, welcome to the Carpentry's or Basic Carpentry 101 GreenThumb workshop. I am Gregory Anderson, the GreenThumb outreach coordinator for Bed-Stuy Gardens in Bed-Stuy. Today we are at the Walt L. Shamel Community Garden. It's actually in Crown Heights. It is also a garden that I've been gardening in for the past 17, 18 years. Your first tools will be your safety tools, including nowadays, due to the coronavirus, we have to wear face masks or face coverings. Because I am in the garden by myself today with just someone videotaping, Mara videotaping me, I will not be wearing the face covering or the mask or gloves because I am within 6 feet of any person. And today we're lucky we're the only ones in the garden. Gloves. And you have many types of gloves, from very basic cloth gloves that for me works better for gardening, digging and digging in the soil and working with plants because they do not offer a lot of safety from sharp objects. Then we have a pair of gloves that offer a bit more safety, and these are cloth but have a rubberized coating, and this coating is tough enough to protect your hands from some small sharp objects like screws and nails and staples and from splinters that come from lumber. So this is your next step up from your basic cloth gloves. You can also get leather gloves, which offer even more support for your hands and protection for your hands. We also have goggles. So when we are nailing or screwing or cutting lumber or working especially above your head, you will need safety goggles to keep the sawdust from getting into your eyes, to keep nails and screws from popping up and hitting you in the eye. Always wear safety goggles that are resistant to shattering. Thank you. Make sure you have your safety goggles have resistance to shattering. So if something hit it, the glass or the plastic will not shatter. Yes, so make sure you have those. The other thing I want to talk about today also, before I get to the tools, is whenever you are purchasing your equipment, there's a varying, there are different ranges as far as the pricing of tools, which kind of correspond to how well made the tool is. Just be conscious about saving money. If you buy the cheapest tools, that's exactly what you get. You get the cheapest made tools. The plastic may be thin, the metal may not be the best type of metal for the tool. The cloth may not be the strongest cloth. You know, the material may not be the best material. So sometimes buying a more expensive tool or equipment kind of give you more protection, or the tools are made better. Cheap tools can be a bit more dangerous to use. If you buy a cheap saw, the blade may not be very sharp, so therefore you may have to use more strength to cut the wood or to cut the material. The tool can fall apart and become unsafe to use. So think about all of that before you buy your tools.